Hi everyone. Today we'll do a video on how to erase parts of an image in Canva, and that too very quickly. I did a video earlier about a year or about 9 months ago on how to erase an image in Canva, and the link is right there. But that was a totally different way. Now I have been using this AI tool for the last few months, and I have to say that I'm pretty impressed with it. It's called the Magic Grab, and I will show you how to erase parts of an image in Canva with the Magic Grab tool. It just like that, like literally in like 1 minute, right? So let's dive into it. All right, so let's say you have this image and you want this vase separated from the background. So all we're gonna do is use this fantastic new tool called Magic Grab. Earlier, I wasn't so convinced about it, but I have tried this a few times and it's simply amazing. So what Magic Grab does is it essentially lets you isolate the different parts of your image. So you can, treat them separately. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller, you can actually completely get rid of them. So basically erase them. So that's how you do it. You just click on it and then you go to edit and you go to Magic Grab over here. And now it asks you which part of the image you want to grab. So you have two options. Either you can use the click option or the brush option. If just use the click option, then you click on the image that you want to be removed and then you grab it and then it will be isolated. So it will not delete it, it will not erase it, but it will isolate it. It will remove it from the background and then you can simply get rid of it. So you can also use the brush option. So you have to then just color the parts, color it purple, whichever parts you want, and then delete it or select it. But I don't like to use that as much as possible because the click option is really smart. It can essentially understand which is an entire object. And in the brush option, what happens is that if you click on it and then if you start erasing, if you make a little bit of mistake, you have to kind of start again. There's no undo button. So I really prefer the click option. So you just to click and you select the image and then you to grab. And now it's going to grab that image. So basically grab that object from the image and then you can remove it. And now it's done. And now you have this object which is separated from the background and you can simply, delete it, right? You can, of course, as I said, you can make it bigger, smaller, move it around, or you can do whatever you want with it. But since we're talking about erasing it, so you can just erase this part of your image with the Magic Grab. Just remember that the Magic Grab is a tool from Canva Pro. So if you have the free version of Canva, you will not be able to use it. If you want to try it out, there's a link in the description for a 30-day trial. Go grab it. And yeah, hope this works. Let me know your experiences. And if something that didn't work, then yeah, we can explore it together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.